Hi, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. So I know I actually put the poll out there and got some people to vote for, well, a few people. I got over 500 respondents so far in like a couple of hours, which is awesome. Thank you guys. I know I took that poll and I said I'd do those cocktails, but I'm doing a couple of quick single recipe cocktail videos before I move into the whiskey cocktails and the simple syrups, purely because I just want to get a little bit more preparation done to make the video as best quality as I can for you guys. So this one is another one from the 3-ingredient cocktail book by Robert Simonson. It's called the Remember the Alimony. It was first made in 2012 in a New York bar. I think it was called the Beagle, and I believe it's closed down. Anyone from New York or in the States that knows, comment below and let me know. So this one has a Fino Sherry, which is a dry sherry with Cynar, a bitter Italian herbal liqueur, and gin. So I believe the recipe calls for beefeater gin, but today I'm just going to use Tanqueray. So same with you, use your preferred gin to make your cocktail. Sorry, drinks break. So first ingredient, the Fino Sherry, bit of an obscure measurement, 37.5 mils or 1 1/4 ounces. So after the Fino Sherry, add your herbal liqueur, your Cynar. Same again, 37.5 mils or 1 1/4 ounces. Then lastly, your preferred gin. Ooh, nice fresh bottle. 3/4 of an ounce. That's it. That's the beauty of this book. 3 ingredients, nice and simple. So add ice to your glass. Just carefully, because that was going to go everywhere if I just dumped it. And give it a stir, 20-30 seconds. Chill it right down. Add some dilution. And finish off with a orange twist. So express the oils and throw it straight in. So there's the Remember the Alimony. Cheers. I thought it was going to be a little bit more pungent and bitter on the nose, but it's quite light and balanced. But the Cynar definitely comes through, and it's more pungent than it is on the nose. You're definitely not expecting that. I do like the dryness that the Fino brings to that particular drink. If you're a Cynar fan, you'll love this drink. If you don't like bitter drinks, probably stay away from this one. I quite like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.